respected members of the governing body, our current principal, senior and junior faculty, dear students, ladies and gentlemen. uh, मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया, इतना नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. आई एम अ वेरी डाउन टू अर्थ एंड इतना ज़्यादा नहीं बोलना चाहिए था. But I am greatly indebted to Dr. Kamal Gupta, convener of today's alumnus meet, and also the principal of Deshbandhu, who took this initiative to organize this alumnus meet. In fact, we would have loved a offline program, maybe next time, but this is the first meet, so everything is really great, because more number of people from all around India can join in. That wouldn't have been possible had it been an offline thing. It is always a pleasure to connect back with your alma mater. In fact, I have been coming to the college off and on, and what I have observed is the facilities have improved many times, and also the students, they are very proactive now. They know what they want and very busy, and lot of activities there in both in terms of scientific as well as extracurricular activities. And my journey after college, I graduated in 1983. The journey after college was not a cakewalk, but since I was shifting from zoology to agriculture, so some issues off and on, they came. We had to work very hard. But, you know, my motivation for pursuing entomology came from Dr. M.L. Gupta. He was an excellent teacher. He retired some years back. And still, whenever I think of him, I can hear his voice, the way he used to teach entomology. And कभी strike भी था, तो I remember वो पीछे, अभी तो building भी different हो गया है, there was a staircase. हम staircase में बैठ के भी उनके extra classes करते थे. So that was also great. And in we had to collect insects for submitting in the final year. So that was great, you know, all over Delhi, we were going around with insect nets and collecting insects. And one of our batchmates, he was union leader, vice president. So DTC bus ka bhi problem nahi tha. Whenever we used to go out, he said, "Abhi ek bus arrange karte hain. We'll go to Delhi University and all." Those sometimes I feel it was not right for us to do at that time. But किया है, अब possible शायद नहीं भी होगा वो सब. And canteen, I still remember bread pakoda and sambar. वो combination कभी भी नहीं खाया होगा, अब शायद मिलता भी नहीं होगा. But that was superb. और canvassing for the elections, that was also great. हम लोग जो हमारे student जिन जान पहचान होते थे उनको बोलते थे. And you know, as Alo said, I was also at a stone's throw. I was also in Chittaranjan Park. Still I am there. So हमारा lot of students were there. So gates जो था, that was in the front road. So our demand during all the years of elections was पीछे एक गेट होना चाहिए. And वो दीवार कभी कभी टूट भी जाता था, छोटा सा वहां से, क्योंकि क्लास में आने के लिए that was a very short way. So I was not this, you know, fat also. I was very slim trim. तो वो दीवार कूद के भी आके, and directly by the time Dr. Gupta and then Veena Gupta madam, she was very strict. डांट भी पड़ती थी, स्पेशली हम जब डिसेक्शंस में कतराते थे, स्पेशली जब ये रेड ब्लड आने लगता था इन रैट एंड ये बर्ड्स एंड ऑल, तो कहती थी फूल पत्ती में क्यों नहीं गए, व्हाई डिड यू कम टू ज़ूलॉजी. थोड़ा सा लगता था शुरू में, तब ऐसे ग्लव्स और ये सब नहीं था, बट इट वाज रियली गुड, इट वाज रियली गुड. And Pusa Institute तब आई थी, but I never thought I'll be there for the rest of my life. These insects really, they attracted me. And of course, many years, every year, abhi to 2 saal se nahi hua, students, zoology students from all different colleges of Delhi, they do visit me. And जब से मैं हूँ तो एक that bond has become. DU student is there, so हक से they come over anytime they want to come. And Kamal and all the students there, Mrs. Ranjana Seth and all, इनको इनके साथ association बहुत पुराना है. And really, it was a really, those 3 years I spent there are still very, fresh in my memory. But अब जब alumnus list देखा तो लगा I am nowhere. Like all our alumnus is all over the globe and all over India. So it is really a proud privilege to be an alumnus of this college. So same, my parents did not allow me to go to North Campus. कि school bus के बाद you cannot travel in the buses and all. So that was one reason. शुरू में थोड़ा सा लगा था, but later on, as and when friendship developed with all the other students and all, we were science group was more closer because always मिलते रहते थे. ऊपर नीचे ही था. That only small building was there. Botany, zoology department on one side, botany, and नीचे chemistry and physics. So उसी के बीच में रहते थे. In fact, डर लगता था. Somehow that feeling was there. Arts के students, वो ragging होगा, वहाँ पे जाना नहीं है. That feeling was always there. But वैसा बाद में initial था, 5-6 months तक था. Later on we really enjoyed. बड़ा अच्छा लगा. And of course, the students are all welcome whenever they need any help from Pusa Institute. I am there, they can always come. So this is it. I really feel very happy to be part of this alumnus meet today. Okay, thank you all. And I'll be logged in only. I'll listen to all others also.
Yes, ma'am, definitely. And we have lots of program in the line, so please
I'll be there.
And
I'll
also we can feel the energy that would diwar kood ke aane wala. We can feel that energy really. We can feel that you are really. We are successfully able to take you back at that time. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Devjani, for accepting our invitation. Whatever you said, I am completely agreeing. I witnessed. We were together in the department. I remember.
Yeah, exactly. I forgot to tell. He was my senior.
You were a junior for 1 year or so. I always take the proud in that way. I was senior 1 year, but the amount of fun we used to have in the department, that is really wonderful.
True.
Thank you, Devjani.
Okay, thank you.